Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you're new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. Do show some love by subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful color and super easy eye makeup, perfect for summers on or any occasion because minimal is more these days and you just need 2 to 3 shadows to create this look. I hope you will enjoy watching this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's finally get going. To begin with, I'm going to prime my lids with this Wet n Wild medium beige concealer so that the eyeshadows will glide on smoothly, and to top it up with a translucent powder to set that concealer, I'm going to use the NYX Sugar Trip Squad palette and I'm going to apply that blue shade all over my lid. So just use that shade all over your lid like this. I'm going to go slightly over my crease area because I have hooded eyes. Now with a clean blending brush, I'm going to blend out those harsh edges, and I'm going to dip the same brush in some blue shadow again, and I'm going to darken the edges again like so. If you feel your shadow has worn out, you can just go and reapply it again like I'm doing here because I want a beautiful shade of blue on my eyes. Now for the eyeliner, I'm going to use this eyeshadow as my eyeliner. I'll scrape a bit of that eyeshadow, add some Inglot Duraline and create my own eyeliner. So this is a very easy way to create colorful liners with your eyeshadows. So just add a drop of Duraline, and this is how it will look like. It's a beautiful shade of burnt orange. Now next I'm going to define my brows with the Sugar Arch Arrival brow definer. Nothing fancy because I like my eyebrows very light and nice, so I'm going light-handed and I'm just going to fill in those spaces, sparse areas I mean, and I'm going to use the Wet n Wild concealer to conceal those dark circles, and I'm going to blend it with a beauty blender. Your concealer with some translucent powder so that it doesn't crease. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild's liner Callingyou Buff to on my lower lash line. It's a beautiful shade, skin color shade, and I'm going to use the same orange eyeshadow to smoke out my lower lash line. And to add a pop of highlight, I'm going to define my under the brow bone area with a highlight, and I'm going to use this beautiful pop of green as my inner corner highlight. It looks beautiful and I'm in love with this green. I'm going to curl my lashes and apply a good a good mascara. I just go over 2-3 times with that mascara. If you want, you can add some fake lashes or false lashes. I usually don't like adding false lashes, and this is the final look. It's beautiful, it's easy, it's colorful. Do give it a try, and there are more such tutorials on my YouTube channel Shimmers and Polishes, so go watch those videos and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye, take care. And this is my first time recording voice for a makeup tutorial, so excuse me if there's some mistakes or errors. Till then, take care. Bye.